I built a raised garden bed for my wife's raspberries. I found this raised garden bed at Aldi, and being a self-proclaimed woodworker who constantly procrastinates, I needed one job to be completed for once. And this whole kit came with everything I needed. I put this together in less than 30 minutes, and you could do it in even less if you learned from my mistakes. Before you get started, make sure that you grab the only tool you'll need, the ever-elusive 10mm wrench. Pulling these out, you'll see me sniffing the wood every once in a while. This is because it's made entirely out of cedar, and it smells so good. First mistake I made was maybe not actually reading the instructions, rather glancing over the pictures. These legs need to go in a certain way so that the holes for the long boards are closer to the inside. I had to undo 3 of the legs and then flip them around, then reassemble them. So I took a seat and got to work. I justified buying this because if I wanted to do this myself, the materials alone would have cost me much more than I spent on this. Not to mention the time. While I probably have the right tools, I'm not sure my garden bed would have been as sturdy as this felt. You'll only need one 10mm wrench if you can ever find yours. Then the bolt will suck itself in as you tighten it down to keep it from turning. Once you get the frame assembled, the slats will drop in, the end caps just push on. Be careful, don't break the dowel, it's a tight fit. Then you can put the plastic liner in, and that's all I had time for this morning. It was time for church. Come back for part 2 to see the rest of how